Hey, what is up guys? BowHD here, and the month of March 2022 is coming to an end, so we've highlighted a total of 10 of our favorite iOS and Android apps to hit the app stores in the last month or so. Links are in the description as always. We're gonna go ahead and begin with the Android apps, starting with an app called Walliq. Now there is of course a slew of wallpaper apps on the Play Store. Some are great, some not so much. There's also some that specialize in vector-based images or landscape nature shots. Everyone's different, you know. But if you like abstract art or fluids or pastels, I think you're really gonna love the selection of wallpapers offered in this app. Walliq has a great layout for displaying all the wallpapers, and when you find one that you really like, it's just really easy to save the wallpaper to your phone or apply it to your home screen directly through the app. So give it a shot if you're trying to spice up your home screens. Spectra is the next app on the list that I think could be stashed in your Tools app folder because it could really come in handy in certain instances. What it does is it displays all your device information in a simple, easy to navigate UI. You can view device information like model number and manufacturer system info, like specific security patches, which is definitely really useful. CPU and RAM information, sensors and their current readings, and network information. It's a really useful app for those who like to know all of the technical details of their device. And I've used similar apps like it before, but what I especially like about Spectra is just how fluid and beautiful the UI is. It's intuitive and just, I don't know, a joy to use. Although I will say the number of ads that pop up can get a little bit annoying, just saying. But speaking of great UIs, Tilla is another well-designed app that I've enjoyed using. It's a subscription manager that helps you manage all of your monthly or yearly subscriptions all in one convenient place. You can just tap the plus icon and choose from a list of preloaded services, complete with their own icons and specifications, but of course you can tweak these if you so desire, and you can add specific notes and, you know, determine how often the subscription renews. And then in the main feed, you can view the total expenses accrued each month or year or week. So all this could help you visualize which services you're subscribed to and how much money you're spending over a period of time. You know, the downside is that the free version, it only allows 5 subscriptions to be listed, but you can get the premium version for only a couple of bucks. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm a Spotify user, and because of that, I tend to use the service for listening to podcasts as well. But as you know, it's a little bit frustrating to search through podcasts via the Spotify app and keep everything organized alongside your music. So Podify has been very appreciated because it aims to separate the podcasts from your music. And after linking it to my Spotify account, I found that I can view all my podcasts and interact with them super easily. You can get notified when new episodes are released, you can filter episodes, and you can bookmark your favorites. You can also, of course, listen to podcasts via this app and not the Spotify app itself. So it's a little bit of a niche app, but hopefully some of you enjoy it. The last Android app we have for you is a unique one. It's called Camel Yacht, and what it aims to do is improve weather forecasts by using your phone's GPS receiver, as well as other Android phones and their GPS receivers, to get more accurate information about the atmosphere. The app gathers information to track signal strength, the distance between satellites and the phones being used, and the satellite's carrier phase. The downside with this app is that it only works with select phones, specifically ones with dual frequency receivers, which can simultaneously pull 2 GNSS signals with different satellite frequencies. And the info that's gained from logging is really only going to be useful to researchers working on this project to understand and help get more accurate weather forecasts. However, you know, if you do have a compatible device, there is a little bit of a leaderboard showing how your logging sessions rank against others who are logging their phones, which is kind of cool. And also, if you're registered and you participate in this app and the logging process, you can be entered into a pool for a chance to win various prizes like an Android phone or Amazon voucher. So that's kind of neat. All right, now we can switch gears to iOS and take a look at the first app, which is Substack Reader. That's right, the Patreon for writers, or in other words, the platform that helps writers start an independent newsletter that can generate them some money, now has an official app. If you're a Substack reader, you've probably been waiting for something like this for a while. This app will give you a one-stop shop for all of your newsletters. You'll be notified when a writer you've subscribed to publishes a new post, and you can discover new writers via this app. So if you value independent written content and know this isn't a sponsor, you should check out Substack. Photo Studio is an app from Square that's designed to help sellers that use their payment platform, but it's actually an app anyone can use to separate a subject in one of their photos from the background. It's all automatic, and the results will actually vary based off the lighting conditions, but I found that it does a really good job detecting my objects and effectively removing the background. You can choose various backgrounds to reintroduce to spice up the photo or to spice up like an eBay listing, for example. And you can save the results to your Photos app super easily. So I just like how free it is and how easy it is to use. An app called BioLink aims to be one link for all of your links. It lets you create a website where you can link to all of your various web pages, social media sites, whatever it may be. It's like Linktree, Milkshake, Shorebee, the list goes on. There's a lot more of them coming each day, it seems like. But BioLink might be my new favorite because of just how stupid easy it is to use and how fast the sites load. You can view analytics, you can customize the design and appearance of your BioLink, you can embed GIFs and videos, and even build an email list if you're a pro user. So if you don't have some sort of link tree yet, this would be a great one to start with. Feel free to check mine out. It's bio.link/BowHD. Daily Bean is a simple diary app for those who want to record their daily lives super easily. All it takes is a few taps. There's a bunch of different categories to choose from for things you'd like to record. These include weather, school, romance, meals, health, chores. The list literally goes on and on. But when it comes to recording an entry, you just select the bean in the middle that best depicts your day. You know, if you're happy, if you're really sad, or somewhere in between. And then you go down the list selecting the icons that best apply to you under each category. And that's really it. I mean, you can view your timeline or tap on individual days of the calendar to view your recordings. There's even a stats section that'll track your mood over time. So if you're looking for a journal app that doesn't require too much time to fill out, this is a great one. Structured is a powerful task manager of sorts. It combines elements of a to-do list and a calendar app into one beautifully designed app that I think really should help you get your stuff accomplished. You can create reoccurring tasks and you can check things off throughout the day in a checkbox type fashion as you accomplish them. You can see what you have coming up, you can make notes, and you can create subtasks. What I really like about it though is just how it's all laid out. I think, you know, when it comes to to-do list apps and calendars, it's really all about the layout and UI. And this one is just beautiful. Everything is easy to see and well-spaced. That helps my stupid little brain compartmentalize everything that needs to get done in my day. It's also worth noting that the appearance is customizable. It supports iCloud and lets you import calendar events from other services, which is very important. So with that last one, guys, those are 5 of my favorite iOS and Android apps to hit the respective app stores during the past month or so. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if you're brand new, and let us know which app is your favorite in a comment down below. As always, I'm BowHD from Slash.tv. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you right back here in the next one. See ya.